In this essential WhatsApp tutorial, we'll learn how to log out of WhatsApp on PC safely. We'll show you two methods: how to sign out directly from your computer using WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop, and how to use your phone to perform a remote logout if you forgot to sign out on a shared device. You have probably used WhatsApp on a computer at work, at a library, or maybe at a friend's house. It is incredibly convenient to type on a full keyboard, but there is a major privacy risk. If you just close the browser tab or the app window, you are not logged out. Anyone who opens that computer later can see all your messages. I'm your host, and in this security guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to close that connection properly. We will cover the standard way to log out while you are still sitting at the computer, but more importantly, I will show you the lifesaver method: how to use your phone to check where you are logged in and kick those devices off your account from miles away. By the end of this video, you will know for sure that your private conversations are safe no matter where you logged in. To follow this guide, you will need either the computer where you are currently logged in or your primary smartphone with the WhatsApp app installed and active. You also need an active internet connection on both devices so they can sync the logout command. Let's start with method 1, logging out from the computer. If you are still at the PC, this is the best way. Open WhatsApp Web in your browser or the WhatsApp Desktop app. Look at the web version or at the app for a settings icon. If you find it, click it. A list of options will drop down. At the very bottom of this list, you will see Log Out. Click it. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure. Click Log Out again. The screen will immediately return to the QR code scanning page. This confirms you are completely signed out. Now for method 2, remote logout from your phone. This is perfect if you left the office and suddenly realized, oh no, I left my WhatsApp open. Don't panic, you can fix it right now. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. On Android, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. On iPhone, tap the settings gear icon in the bottom right corner. From this menu, select Linked Devices. This screen is powerful. It shows you a list of every single computer or browser currently accessing your account. You will see entries like Google Chrome, Windows, or WhatsApp Desktop. Look at the last active time to identify the one you want to remove. Tap on the device name you want to disconnect. A pop-up will appear with a big red button that says Log Out. Tap that button. Instantly, the session on that computer will be killed. Even if someone is sitting right in front of it, the screen will refresh and ask for a QR code. They can no longer see your chats. It is a great habit to check the Linked Devices menu on your phone once a week. Sometimes we forget about an old laptop or a tablet we used months ago. Clearing out old sessions keeps your account secure. If you are using a personal computer that only you access, you don't necessarily have to log out every time. You can just close the app. But on any shared or public computer, always use the full logout process shown in method 1. What if the remote logout takes a while? Usually it's instant. However, if your phone has a poor internet connection, the command might be delayed. Ensure your phone has data or Wi-Fi. If you see a device in your list that you definitely don't recognize, like a Linux device when you only use Windows, log it out immediately. This could mean someone else scanned your QR code. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned how to log out of WhatsApp on PC to keep your messages private. We walked through the direct logout on the desktop interface and the powerful remote logout feature from the mobile app's Linked Devices menu. Now you have total control over where your WhatsApp account is active. I truly hope this WhatsApp privacy tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more security tips and app tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you use WhatsApp mostly on your phone, or do you prefer the desktop version for the big keyboard? I'm curious about your preference. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.